Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni editorial. The boxing match that didn't happen between proxy of the Marcoses, PNP Chief Torre and Acting Mayor Baste Duterte may never have taken place in the ring. But imagining such a spectacle highlights much about the political theater that surrounds their personal public personas. Both figures, known for their fierce rhetoric and combative styles, embody a troubling trend in the Philippine politics where childish posturing often overshadows substantive dialogue. Instead of fostering healthy debate on pressing issues, the match that didn't happen serves as a metaphor for the pettiness and brinkmanship that sometimes define leadership in this country. Torre and Duterte, in this supposed to be spectacular bout, would likely epitomize dangerous egotism masked as bravado. Their public exchanges, characterized by taunts and provocations, resemble playground squabbles rather than the mature political discourse. The imagined scenario underlies how such behavior diminishes public trust and distracts from urgent matters affecting millions of Filipinos, including the rule of law, human rights, and effective governance. It also underscores how political leaders can inadvertently encourage a culture of conflict over collaboration, setting a poor example for both their followers and the next generation of leaders. Politically, in this match that didn't happen, exposes the risk of personalization in politics, where policy issues are reduced to personal vendettas and theatrics. The spectacle would likely ignite media frenzy and public sympathies divided not by ideas but allegiance to personalities, deepening societal polarization. More troubling is the normalization of aggression on as a political tool, potentially undermining democratic institutions and respect for civil discourse. Ultimately, the supposed to be fight between Torre and Duterte, real or imagined, the match that didn't happen, serves as a cautionary tale about the cost of allowing childish antics to dominate the political arena.